Hi guys, today we're going to show you where to store the cargo cover in Toyota Prius. So in case if you carry large items, you may want to remove the cargo cover. To remove it first, you have to pull here and it will come out. And now in the Prius there is a special place for the cargo cover underneath this one. And as you can see, we can simply put it inside here and close this cover, and our cargo cover is pretty much gone. This is very effective way to store your cargo cover. It's not in the way, but it's still inside the vehicle. When you want to reinstall it back, take it out, and you will actually need to press on both sides. So press here on this side and press this one and insert it back in, and it's pretty much done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this will be helpful. We'll see you in the next video.